Done, sir. Can I say?
Done, sir.
Okay, yeah, everyone is getting
Yes,
the
done,
answer
sir.
as 7x plus 7.
Seven,
Yes, sir.
seven
Yes,
sandwich.
sir.
Seven and doing sir.
Okay, yeah. Now today guys we will learn that how to take out the common also. Okay, because as of now, first of all we need to do the multiple questions. Okay, those who are not getting the 7x plus 7, just please raise your hand guys. Those who
Half
are
an
not
L.
getting, ठीक है. And guys थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे हम, ठीक है, because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा स्लो चल रहा है अभी, है ना. So those who are not getting it, so Ariman, you are not getting the answer.
No, sir. I got 7x plus 7, sir.
Acha, okay. No, I said that those who are not getting, just please raise your hand. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now go for this one. Check what is the outcome. See, already, guys, the answer is written in front of you, but you don't have to look for the answers. Okay. Try to do it by your own. Nishad, what about you? Are you also getting the outcome?
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly do it, guys. Write it. Come on, hurry up, guys. थोड़ा राइटिंग स्पीड भी इंक्रीज करेंगे सभी लोग अपनी गाइस थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिखो जल्दी जल्दी प्रोसेस करके सॉल्व करो.
Different answers, sir, for the question which you have not got, which is on the above. The 3x plus 5 plus 4x. I get different answers, sir.
Why you getting the different answers, Sugam?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
See the solution which is there in front of you, Sugam.
Sir, I got x equal to 23 minus 1x equal to 23.
सुगम सॉल्यूशन कौन सा वाला कर रहे हो आप ये वाला बोल रहे हो क्या?
No, no, the above one, above the
अबव
question.
दैट वन, ठीक है. हाँ, देखो सॉल्यूशन में क्या लिखा हुआ है और स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखो और आपने क्या मिस्टेक करी है उसको भी क्रॉस चेक करो. सो यू विल एनालाइज दैट पार्ट कि क्यों आ रहा है वो इशू.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
The next
I'm done,
question.
sir.
ओके
Done,
Okay, so
sir.
the next question,
Done,
sir.
sir.
ओके.
Done, sir.
So, okay, Hadia, you are also getting the answer. Hadia, Aryaman,
Yes, sir.
okay, Nishad,
Yes, sir. Sir, doing it. Done,
Nishad,
sir.
bit fast. Sugam,
Sir,
you
can I
got your
tell the
mistake.
answer, sir?
Wait,
Sir,
just
can
a
I
minute.
tell, sir? Sir, can I tell?
Okay, so those who already got the answer, just please wait a minute. For yeah, Sugam, where is Sugam?
So yes,
Sugam,
sir. And
yes.
yes, sir.
Are you not getting 7x plus 7 here?
No, sir. I'm getting 1 minus 1x equal to 23.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ सुगम कि सॉल्यूशन को देखने की कोशिश करो क्या लिखा हुआ है. रेड कलर के एरोज देखो. 3 multiply by x is 3x. 3 multiply by 5 is 15. देन इट इज 4x एंड दिस इज -8. अभी 3x एंड 4x क्या होता है? 7x. तो 7x आ गया. और 15 माइनस 8 क्या होता है? 7. तो फाइनल आंसर आ गया 7x प्लस 7. अब इसमें इशू कहाँ पर आ रहा है? दैट टेल मी दैट इशू.
Sir, so what I did actually is the first step I did correct, sir. But instead of plus I put equal to, and then I did a 3x minus 4x equal to minus 15 minus
नहीं
8,
तो वही,
and the
हाँ,
answer came
वही
minus
मिस्टेक हुआ
1x
ना.
equal to 23.
इक्वल टू नहीं लगाना है. इक्वल टू आप क्यों लगाओगे अभी यहाँ पे? ओके, इक्वल टू नहीं लगाना है अभी आपको. आपको बस एक्सप्रेशन सॉल्व करना है. दैट्स इट.
Okay, sir.
दैट्स व्हाई आई गेव यू द आंसर. ओके. यस, Arman, what is the answer?
So I'm gonna say, sir, I got the
Same
answer for
answer,
the
sir.
second one.
Same answer, sir.
Okay.
Same answer,
So
2m
So,
minus
the same
23,
answer,
sir.
sir.
2m minus
Same.
23.
Yes, sir.
so
Same.
2m minus 23.
Same
Arman,
answer I got.
Avyan, Nishad, Sugam, and Hadia. Okay, all of you are getting the same answer. I think this is
Yes,
2m
sir.
minus 23,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
basically, what you are having now, you are getting the correct answers. Okay, this is basically the multiplication of a monomial to the binomial. So that the answer that you are getting up over here, that is like that. That is monomial to binomial, isn't it? Now, other than that, there are some other parts as well that you need to go for. Okay. Now, the already expression is given to you in the form of what? This, isn't it? In the expression, it is already given that it is 2m minus 2 is given. Okay. 2m minus. Ariman, you want to say something? Okay. Okay.
No, sir.
Yes. Yes. So the question is given to you. This is the polynomial. Okay. The polynomial is given to you as of now. Okay. The polynomial is already given to you. Now in this polynomial, what you need to do, or the expression is already given to you. अब इस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन की जो वैल्यू होती है, ठीक है ना, वो हमको कुछ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स पे निकालनी पड़ती है. कैसे निकालेंगे वो एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल समझने की कोशिश करो गाइस, क्या लिखा हुआ है अभी, है ना. एक्सप्रेशन क्या दिया हुआ है? Expression is given to you in the format of what? The expression is given in the format of 2m minus 2. अब वो ये बोल रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन में हमसे ये बोला जा रहा है कि जब m की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, तो इस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू क्या होगी? ठीक है, आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन. वो बोल रहे हैं कि m की जगह देखो, यहाँ पे p की जगह p लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन m की जगह क्या लिखा हुआ है? m की जगह पे ओनली 1
1.
लिखा हुआ है, isn't it? सिमिलरली यहाँ पे p की जगह पे p लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन m की जगह पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? अब 2 लिखा
2.
हुआ है. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे p की जगह पे p लिखा हुआ है लेकिन m की जगह पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? -1. ठीक है, इसका मतलब वैल्यूज चेंज हो रही है. किसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है? m की वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है. तो अगर m की वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है, तो हमको इंडिकेटेड पॉइंट्स पे गाइस, इंडिकेटेड पॉइंट्स पे एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. गाइस, आर यू गेटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes. Yeah.
ठीक है ना. तो
Yeah,
अगर
sir.
हमसे
No,
बोला है,
sir.
दिस इज p ऑफ, हु इज सेइंग नो?
Sir, me. Sir, I'm not
हाँ, yes.
exactly getting this.
Yes, I'm saying this thing, Arman, ki P of M is already given over here. Okay, so you need to find out the value of P at 1, then P of 2, P of -1 and P of -2. तो what is the value of P of 1? मतलब M की जगह पे 1 पुट कर दो. तो जब M की जगह पे 1 पुट करोगे, तो एक्चुअली जो आंसर है, वो एक्चुअल आंसर आपका क्या आएगा? सो सी, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 -23. कुछ कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस m की जगह पे वैल्यू को 1 रखना है. व्हाट इज 2 1 जा? 2 1 जा इज 2 and -23 as it is. So the final value is -21, isn't it? अब यहाँ पे देखो, m की जगह पे वैल्यू को 2 पुट करना है, तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? बेसिकली 2 की जगह पे ऑलरेडी इट इज गिवन एज 2. m is basically 2 and then -23, isn't it? So this will become what? 2 2s are 4 and -23 is as it is. So what is 4 minus 23? -19, isn't it? तो इसका मतलब जब m की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, तो एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू -21 हो जाएगी. जब m की वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगी, तो एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू -19 हो जाएगी, एंड सो ऑन. नाउ find out the value for -1 and -2 as well, and not only for -1 and -2. Find out the value and write it in this manner for 1, 2, -1 and -2. Go for it quickly, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Arman, are you getting now what I'm saying?
So I think not properly, sir. What do
Yes,
we
sir.
do?
Okay,
No, sir, I think not
Hadia.
properly.
Uh,
So what do we do,
okay.
sir, actually? So I think got properly.
The property, which property, Sugam?
Polynomial expression.
No, no. I'm saying this is a polynomial or this is the expression.
Sir,
That's it.
which we have to do? Sir, could you tell
This
again which we have
this
to do?
question you have to do and find out the value at p of 1, p of 2, p of -1 and p of -2,
Sir,
like that.
I got it, sir.
Okay,
I got it, sir.
and find out the value and check the answer whether you are getting these particular answers or not. Hadia, Abhyan, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, yeah. Abhyan, those who are not on the camera, guys, please
Yes, sir. One
check
second.
for your cameras also. Okay, and quickly, guys, please
Sir,
hurry up a
can you
little
see
bit
me?
fast.
Can you see me, sir?
Yes, yes, I can see you. And guys, little bit fast, okay? Because
Sir, what is there like in the third one, which we have to
Mm-hmm.
do? What is
Third
there?
one is -1.
Oh, yeah.
-1, and fourth one is -2.
Sir, done.
Okay, and Avyan, now, uh, how is your mom? Like, she's recovering from dengue?
Yeah, she's recovering.
Okay, fine. So
She
still
got
she's admitted, or
yeah. No,
she
she's in
returned home?
our home right now. She got
Okay.
some stuff here and they
Yes.
stick it from the nerve.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I know that. Yeah. Okay, guys, time's up. ठीक है ना? इससे ज़्यादा time नहीं लगना चाहिए. Those who have already finished, please raise your
That's
hand. Okay. Those who have finished, please raise your hand. Okay. Ariman, are you getting all the answers and correctly or not?
yes, sir. Sir, I
Okay,
also checked
please.
the app.
Okay, please put down your hand. Okay, Nishad, you're also getting the answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Avyan,
Yes,
Sugam,
sir.
Hadia, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I also got the same answer, sir.
Okay, everyone is getting the answers. Okay, so I hope at indicated values you are getting the answers, isn't it? So this is one of the thing which you are having. So that is basically what? That is the indicated points and indicated values which you are getting up over here, isn't it? Now what you need to do now, we need to now do the other operation also, which is binomial to binomial operation. Now what is the meaning of binomial to binomial operation? Everyone please put down your hand, guys. Now binomial and binomial operation is given like this. पहले दिखता कैसे है उसको समझना पड़ेगा, है ना? क्योंकि कोई भी चीज हमारे सामने सबसे पहले जब आती है तो उसका एक्चुअल पिक्चर कैसा होता है हमको पहले उसको समझना पड़ता है. So this is what x plus 2 is given over here and x plus 3 is given over here. Okay, this is what binomial term, and this is also what binomial term. Now in the category of binomial to binomial, first of all, you have to duplicate the bracket. What you need to do? You have to duplicate. You have to duplicate the bracket. Duplicate means what? This is the first bracket and this is the second bracket, isn't it? Yes, no? Everyone is clear? What is first and
Yeah.
second bracket? Now,
Yes,
if
Yes.
sir.
two, there are
Yes,
how
sir.
many brackets? There are total two brackets. Okay. If there are total two brackets, okay. So first of all, write two times the second bracket. Means x plus 3 and x plus 3 कितनी बार लिखेंगे? टू
Two
टाइम्स
times.
लिखेंगे. ठीक है. अब जो ये वाला x है, x, वो x कहाँ जाएगा? यहाँ जाएगा. कैन यू सी दिस एनिमेशन ऑन द स्क्रीन?
Yes,
जो
sir.
पहला जो x लिखा हुआ है बेसिकली वो कहाँ जाएगा? जो पहला वाला x है, ये जो x है वो फर्स्ट वाले ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. फिर जो पॉजिटिव 2 है, तो पॉजिटिव 2 किससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा? सेकंड वाले ब्रैकेट से. So from the second bracket, the positive 2 is getting multiplied over here. Are you getting the point, guys? Yes, no, maybe?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is the operation. This is the operation for binomial to binomial. Okay. And as of now, what we are doing the operation of monomial to binomial. But now we are doing the operation of binomial to binomial. और अब ये operation करने के बाद में see what it will become. This will become monomial to binomial. You getting the point? This is monomial and this is binomial. So अब ये तो easy है. ये तो हम अभी already कर रहे थे. X multiply by x and x multiply by 3. 2 multiply by x and 2 multiply by 3. ये तो अभी हमने already किया ही हुआ है. So see, x multiply by x is what? X
Sir,
square.
X. Yeah.
Okay. And those who are having any issues, guys, I know this is the very first question. Okay, we will do some multiple questions one by one, so you will get the clarity. Okay, I will also explain and I will give you multiple question and I will also solve one by one those question in front of you. So this is x square and this is 3x. Okay, this is 3x and after that this is 2x and this is 6. So what it is? This is x is square and 6, and 3x and 2x is what? 5x. Okay, so this is what you are getting over here. Okay, yes, Abhyan.
Sir, so I have a doubt, sir. So I know how we. So can you scroll back up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I know how we got two with the bracket x plus three. But how will we get x, sir? X in the first bracket outside.
X in the first bracket we are getting because of this.
Okay, sir.
Because of
And
this
then
we are getting the x.
okay, sir.
Okay, I'll give you the questions also one by one. You just please solve this one. Now see, this is the second question. Okay, now in the second question, what you can see over here, you can see this is minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so minus 2x plus 3 and multiplied by x minus y, isn't it? Now what is the first step? How many brackets are there? Two brackets are there. So if two brackets are already there, so what is the first step? Duplicate the bracket. What is
Sir,
duplicate the bracket?
we duplicate the second
So
bracket.
it's
We
gonna be
make
x
two.
sir, it's gonna be x minus y and then
Hmm.
2x minus y.
Yes,
Yes,
so x minus y को कितनी बार लिखना है? टू टाइम्स
twice.
लिखना है, टू टाइम्स, है ना? सो x माइनस वाई एंड x माइनस वाई हमने ऑलरेडी लिख दिया. अभी यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? माइनस टू एक्स. कैन यू सी दिस एनी दिस रोटेटिंग पार्ट? सो दिस
Yes.
माइनस टू एक्स किसके साथ आ जाएगा? पहले वाले ब्रैकेट के साथ में माइनस टू एक्स आ जाएगा. ठीक है?
हाँ.
And the second bracket which you are having, that is positive 3. So positive 3 will come over here. वो यहाँ आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Now please solve it guys one by one, slowly and gradually. पहले तो copy करो, फिर solve करो.
Sir, which one? The second one, right?
Uh, yes, please tell me.
Sir, which question, sir?
The second one only.
Yes, sir. The minus 2x plus 3 bracket to bracket close x minus y.
Yes, Sugam.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, anyone is having any doubt in this guys? हो रहे हैं questions? समझ में आ रहा है? कोई
Yes.
confusion? So please
Yes.
tell me.
No,
Sir,
no, sir. No, answer.
Okay,
Done.
question हो गया. तो question हो गया इसका मतलब answer आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hadia, are you also getting this minus 2x square plus xy? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm
And
getting it.
plus 3x ये पूरा as it is आ रहा है. इसमें कोई
Yes,
mistake तो
sir.
नहीं हो रही है.
No, sir.
ठीक है, very good. Okay, who else is remaining? Aryaman, what about you?
Sir, I'm still doing
Done.
sir, I'm still
Sir,
doing
done.
the third question. Sir, can you go down, sir?
Uh, Still doing Aryaman?
No, sir. I'm done with the second question. Can you go down?
Wait a minute. We'll go. Nishad,
Sir, done.
Avyan, and Sugam.
Done, sir. I said done after Hadia said, sir.
Okay, fine. And where is Sugam? Sugam, where are you?
Sir, I'm here only, sir. Sir, I got the same answer, sir.
All right, okay. Go for the next one now. Now I'm not going to show the answer for this one. Now from here onwards, we will like little bit increase the level one by one. Okay, go for binomial to binomial multiplication, guys. Go for it. Nishad, what are you doing? Write it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nishad, Aryaman, everyone. Sugam, Avyan, Hadia. Come on, little bit fast, guys. Minus x, minus y, x to the power 3, y to the power 3. Come on,
Sir, I'm
hurry up,
done,
guys.
sir.
All right.
Sir,
Sir, almost done, sir.
Sir,
Don't tell answer, sir.
sir, the above one I got right, sir.
Okay. Now, as of now, you have to solve this x to third one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arman, where are you going?
Sir, my pen cap fell down.
Oh, okay.
So done, sir.
Dancer. Dancer.
Okay, fine. Yes, Abhyan, what is the answer?
Sir, I got my negative x to the power of 4 plus xy cube plus 2x cube plus y cube.
Actually, that is not the correct answer, but you can see now
Sir,
I've
can
shown you
I?
the answer. Okay. Yes, Ariman.
So the answer is same.
Sir, the answer is minus x to the power of 4 minus xy cube minus yx cube minus y to the power of 4.
ओके नाउ गाइस इफ यू रिमेम्बर जब हमने केटी ऑफ ब्रैकेट सॉल्व किया था ठीक है या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमने जब सॉल्व करा था सो वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दीस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक इजंट इट सो इन दैट सेक्शन आल्सो इफ यू कैन सी अगर हमने बोला है कि ये कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ होता है तो पावर में क्या लिखना है बाय डिफॉल्ट 1 इजंट इट पावर में क्या होता है बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन एज 1 ओवर देयर सुगम यू वांट टू से समथिंग
Sir, no,
you
sir.
raised okay fine yeah. So first of all you have to duplicate okay you have to duplicate the bracket duplicate means what x plus x to the power 3 y to the power 3 how many times you have to write it down you have,
Twice.
you
Three
yeah you
times.
have to yeah you have to write it down twice okay so x to the power 3 y to the power 3 you have to write it down twice over here isn't it now uh, x to the power 1 कहाँ चला जाएगा यहाँ पर ओके एंड माइनस वाई टू द पावर 1 कहाँ चला जाएगा यहाँ पर isn't it you're getting the point yes no maybe
Yes, sir.
okay so this is the portion अब वन बाय वन मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो हमारे पास में ये माइनस एक्स इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा फिर ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा फिर ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा फिर ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा isn't it so in this way what you are getting these particular answers so now what you got which is minus x 3 plus 1 क्या होगा what is 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 is 4
4.
फिर प्लस माइनस इज माइनस एक्स की पावर में ऑलरेडी 1 तो है और y की पावर में 3 आ जाएगा ठीक है फिर यहाँ पर y की पावर ऑलरेडी 1 तो रहेगी x टू द पावर 3 अगेन यहाँ पर आ जाएगा फिर प्लस माइनस माइनस y टू द पावर 4 आ जाएगा isn't it yes no maybe
Yeah.
so in this way
Yes,
you will
sir.
get the final answer like this isn't it yes no maybe
Yeah.
okay
Sir.
we'll do some more question guys okay because I think as of now still some of you were having the confusion in binomial to binomial so that's why
Sir, I have a
okay
question, sir.
yes tell me
Sir, if it is told to do a binomial to binomial multiplication question, and instead of doing the instead of duplicating the second bracket, will we get the same answer if we duplicate the first bracket?
yeah yes if we are duplicating the first bracket also then also you will get the same answer because ultimately we are doing the multiplication only so that's why
Okay, sir.
okay yeah that's the actually very valid question okay but first of all just to remove the confusion and first of all get you perfect into this portion I'm not creating that kind of complicacy otherwise I will tell you these things also but let me tell you what you are
So
saying
can we
as of now
start?
Arviman. Yes please start with it
So there are two questions, sir. Here. So which one you should do, sir?
no this is basically the same question itself. But here, we need to do the experiment which Aryaman is telling. So I'll need to tell you this portion.
Okay, sir.
The question is same only. Okay. First of all, guys. Uh, okay. I'm just giving you 2 minutes. Then I'll solve the question. Everyone, five of you, please go for it.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is polynomial, right?
Yes, this is polynomial.
Sir, could you explain again how to do these polynomials?
Array, see, this is the partition. This is binomial to binomial, ना? अभी हम just कर रहे थे अब निशाद, in the same way you have to do it.
Okay, sir. Means these are two different sums.
Yeah, these are two different sum. The left one is different and the right one is different. Basically, they are same only. The arrangement is different.
Okay, sir.
Ultimately, you will get the same answer.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Dancer. I got the same answer.
Okay, you got the same answer. Okay, guys, everyone, please look into the screen. Aryaman did, Avyan did, Hadia, what about you? Hadia, Sugam, Nishad.
I'm doing it, sir.
Sir, I got the answer.
I tried to duplicate the first bracket, and the answer was right, sir.
Yes, the answer was right. Yeah. Okay, so I have told you that part. Okay, he, there is no any as such complications if you are duplicating the brackets or like that. Okay.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So now, guys, please look into the screen. Let me solve you. Okay. I mean, let me solve this question. So first of all, what is the first step? Duplicate the brackets. So x to the power 3 and y to the power 3. How many times I have to write it down?
Twice.
2 times.
Right, you've done twice. Then the minus x. Can you just all of you please eyes on the screen, guys, for all of you. Okay, minus x. Where the minus x will come? Here. Can you see this animation? Minus x will appear over here. And where the plus y will appear? The plus y will appear over here, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe. The plus y will appear over here. That means minus x and plus y will transfer from here to here. Can you see this? Everyone, yes, no, maybe. I think
Yes.
यहाँ तक सभी को
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ गया. Up till this step everyone is okay. अब हम क्या करेंगे? जहाँ पर भी पावर नहीं लिखी है वहाँ पे पावर को लिख देंगे. Okay, okay. Wherever the power is not written, we will have to write down the powers. Now, this is getting multiplied through this part. This is getting multiplied through this part. So what you are getting now? Just tell me. This is minus x to the power 4 because 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Now plus minus is what? Minus x to the power 1 y to the power 3, isn't it? Then it is y to the power 1 x to the power 3, then plus y to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. This is the final answer.
Sir, I got the same answer, sir.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Same
Okay,
answer.
everyone, yes, no,
Answer.
maybe.
Sir, same answer.
Okay.
Same answer.
Sir, no
So,
different answer.
okay, so Nishad, the process which I have told you, have you
Sir,
checked for it?
I'm doing it by that way. My answer is yx to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4 plus xy to the power of 3.
Mm, yeah, see, if you rearrange the term also now, see the power, see the power and see the signature also. Only the signature and power will matter. Okay, there.
Yx to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4 plus xy to the power of 3.
These two are the negative terms. Nishad, this is not the positive terms. You are getting the correct term, but your signature is not correct. Signature is negative because this minus is already written over here. ना? I have told you if minus bracket के बाहर होता है तो अंदर की जितनी भी terms होती हैं वो सब क्या हो जाती हैं? माइनस हो जाती हैं. Basically उनका signature change हो जाता है, isn't it? You're getting the point. Okay. Now, in the same way, do the second one also. What is this? X minus y, x minus y. So I'm writing it two times. X plus y minus x plus y, isn't it? Duplicate the bracket. Now listen to me very carefully, guys. ये दोनों सम्स जो हैं वो डिफरेंट नहीं है, वो सेम ही है. सिर्फ चेंजेस क्या है? पहला वाला ब्रैकेट और दूसरे वाले ब्रैकेट को हमने क्या कर दिया है? स्वैप कर दिया है. हमने क्या कर दिया? ब्रैकेट को स्वैप कर दिया है. Now here comes x to the power 3 and here comes y to the power 3, isn't it? The x to the power 3 and y to the power 3 will come over here. Okay. Now after this, what you will get? You will get minus x to the power 4 plus y x to the power 3. Now this is plus minus is minus y to the power 3 of x, y to the power 3 of x.
Sir, it
Okay,
should be xy to the power of 3, right?
see,
In the
both,
first one?
both the things are correct. Where you are saying in the first bracket?
No, sir. In the answer,
Here.
below that. In the
Acha,
answer.
yeah, below. See, minus y to the power 3x, if you can write it like this is also correct, or minus x y to the power 3, that is also correct. Both the ways, these are correct only. No issues for that. Abhyan, stop
Sir,
playing with pencil.
sir
Yes,
is we got the answer different, sir. By duplicating the second bracket and by duplicating the first bracket and then doing with the second bracket. Sorry, by duplicating the first bracket and doing it with the second bracket. The answer is
you are
different.
getting, okay, you are saying that you are getting the different answers.
No, sir, I'm the answer, the question answer of the left side and the question answer of the right side is different.
Okay, the question's answer of the left side and the right side is different, you are saying. Okay, let me check why it is different. Otherwise, because it will not create any issues because both the things are same only, so that's why. Okay, see, so now this much is, I think you got it, and the last term is basically y to the power 3, y to the power 1, that means y to the power 4. Now, if you can check this part, so see what you can see, minus x to the power 4 is present on both the sides. Okay, minus xy to the power 3, and here also minus xy to the power 3. These are same, these are not different, guys. Both these are same only, isn't it? Similarly, y to the power 1, x to the power 3, this is also same, these are also not different. Okay, and y to the power 4 and y to the power 4, these are also the same, isn't it? So all the terms which you are getting the same term only. Where is Aryaman? Yeah, so Aryaman, are you also getting the same thing? You said that no, that these are the, if you duplicate the bracket, so you will get the same or different
Yes,
answers.
sir. Sir, I got different order just like you did.
Yeah, yes. So order might be different, but just check for the signature whether the signatures are correct or not, or whether you are getting the right things or not, isn't it? Now, what is the application of this? I'll tell you the application. For example, if 3 is getting multiplied by 4 plus 3 minus 7. Okay, so how to multiply it? Can I also write in this manner? 3 multiplied by 4, then this and this. So what it is? 3 fours are 12 plus 3 threes are 9 minus 7 threes are 21. Can I write like this? Yes, no, maybe. Everyone. Now here also, what is this? What is 12 plus 9?
Yes, sir. The 12
Yes.
plus 9 is
Is it
sir, it's
21?
21.
Positive 21, negative 21. So positive
Sir, it is
21 and
positive
negative
21.
21 will get cancelled, and 0 is the final answer, isn't it? Is it correct,
Yeah.
guys?
Yes, sir.
This is this is what? This is monomial. And what is this?
Bino.
This is trinomial.
Trino, yeah.
Okay. Similarly, if you multiplied 7 plus 3, and that is multiplied by minus 7 plus 11. Okay. So what you will do? Again, duplicate the second bracket. What is duplicating the second bracket? Minus 7 plus 11 minus 7 plus 11, isn't it?
So now we have
Minus
to
7
write
plus 11,
first. First, we have to write yeah, 7 and 8.
you know? Is this correct,
Yeah.
guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what it is?
It is
Minus 49 plus 77 minus 21 plus 33. Okay. Now here, if you subtract it, if you subtract these portions one by one, so what are the answers that you are getting accordingly? If you are subtracting this part, so what is the final answer that you are getting up over here? That is 77, 77 minus 49, which is 28. Okay. And what is 33 minus 21? This is basically
sir. I
12.
got the answer 40.
So this is how much? 16.
Huh?
28 minus 12 is how much? 16.
16.
Okay.
All right. So this is a
Yes.
binomial to binomial multiplication. Okay. But if you can see here as well, what is 7 plus 3? 10.
10.
What is minus 7 plus 11?
It's a
4.
3, 4,
4, sir.
4.
4.
Mm,
So
4,
positive
sir.
4.
is that so?
Yes, sir. Positive 4.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let us not compare that
Positive.
part. Wait a minute, guys. I'll tell you the different way. Uh, uh, all right. Okay. So this is the final answer for this one. Now let me go and check for this part as well. Wait a minute. Okay, 4x plus 3 and 2x minus 7y minus 7y plus uh,
To do it,
2p. Yeah, everything will remain same. Just duplicate the second bracket.
Sir, can I start?
Yeah, please start.
so but oh right. Yes.
Sir, can I duplicate the first person? We should duplicate the second bracket in.
All right, okay. So here
Yes,
also,
sir.
Sir, can I say?
uh, yes, Abhyan, tell me the answer.
Sir, 8x. Sir, it's 8x. 8x square minus 28xy plus 8xp plus 6x minus 21y plus 6b.
Sir,
Yes,
same.
sir, it's right.
Sir, same answer.
Yes,
Sir,
exactly. Same
exactly
answer.
same.
Very good. Abhyan, very good.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, you got different answer, sir.
And Sugam, you are getting the different answer. Okay. So yes,
Yes,
Sugam.
I got 8. I got 8x to the power of 2 plus 4p. Why will it be 0?
Y will be zero. Why Y will be zero? Sugam, understand what it is written over here. पहले जो लिखा हुआ है जस्ट उस स्टेप्स को फॉलो करो. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप कोई स्टेप्स मिस कर रहे हो है ना. स्टेप्स गाइज, नो वन विल से दिस थिंग कि सर अब मुझे आ गया है तो मैं स्टेप्स नहीं लिखूंगा. no one will say like this, no one will do like this. अगर आपने steps लिखना बंद कर दी तो mistakes पक्का होंगी. So mistakes पक्का होगी, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting the point?
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir. I wrote
ये
it down
वाली
and I
स्टेप,
didn't
ये सब, यस. सुगम, ये वाली स्टेप्स आ गई, ये समझ में आ रहा है आपको क्या लिखा हुआ है और क्यों लिखा हुआ है,
Yes,
सुगम?
sir. हाँ समझ
ओके.
आ गया सर.
इसके बाद में क्या करेंगे सुगम? नाउ टेल मी.
सर उसके बाद में क्या करेंगे? 4x into 2x
Okay. These
करना
red
हमें.
color. Okay. These red color arrows also you are getting what it is going on. 4 twos are 8 and x to the power 2 because it is 1 and 1. Minus. Plus minus is minus.
Minus
7 fours are 28
28
x y to the
1
power 1. Then again plus plus is plus. 4 twos are
plus.
8, 8p. It is written over here, isn't it? Now
Yes.
come to the next one. So here 3, 3, 3. Okay, it is multiplied like this. Can you see the green color arrows? So what is 3
Yes,
twos
sir.
are? 3 twos are 6x minus 7 threes are 21y plus 3 twos are 6p, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? Okay. So here, what is the like terms now? What is
yes,
the
sir.
like term? The like term is
So
basically
like
p
does
and
that
p.
8p. That's all, sir.
8p.
Then no
Okay, the
like
8b
terms.
and 8p. So 8p and 8p is what?
Sir,
They are
there are
making
no
the
like terms,
combination.
sir.
No, there are like terms, na? P and p. P and p
No,
are the
sir.
like terms. Na?
Uh, Sir, but the answer that I got is 8x square minus 28xy plus 8xp plus 6x minus 21y plus 6p. That is why there are no there
14p.
are no two p's.
So
Ah,
that's the
yeah.
answer.
So this is the final answer, guys. Just check it, guys, for all of you. Is this the final answer? Abhyan, Ariman, Nishad, Hadia, and Sugam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but
Yes.
when you sir, but when you multiply 4 into 2 in the first bracket,
Oh,
8.
sorry. Yeah. Sorry. That will be XP.
Yeah.
That will be XP. Yeah, sorry.
8 XP.
So this is the final answer. Yeah, I forgot that part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think,
Wow.
yeah, sorry for that one. So the like, yeah, there is no like terms. Okay, I forgot the p over x over here, so that's why it become like this. Okay. So I hope you got the answer, guys, all of you,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope now everyone is getting the answer also, and everyone
Yes,
is
sir.
now getting this particular portion that what it is written over here, isn't it?
Yeah, sir.
All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope now you are
Sir,
getting
sir,
the
is today
same thing.
World Chimpanzee Day? Sir, is today
Today's
World
what?
Chimpanzee Day?
Yes, sir.
Today World
Sir, I
World
can
Chimpanzee
Chimpanzee.
Day.
see it.
Yes,
I can
sir.
see it in the set.
Okay.
So what's in today, sir?
Yeah, sir.
So what's in today actually, sir?
World Chimpanzee Day. Okay, fine. No, I'm not aware about that part.
Today's
Okay.
14th. Today's
So
14th.
what's that, sir? Actually, what should we do in that, sir? Actually,
I don't know exactly what we will do, Avyan.
Sir, no, it's just like
I don't know.
it's there in the
I
search
think,
bar.
sir, I think there's a. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I think they're gonna take care of chimpanzees better,
Okay.
or are they gonna spread awareness to like not make them be endangered or stuff like that?
Yeah.
Something
So
like that,
World
I think, sir.
Chimpanzee. Yeah, World Chimpanzee Day is celebrated on 14th of July each year, and
Yes, sir.
And today,
yeah.
sir, today is the France national, like the National Day of France, La 14 La
Yes,
14
sir.
juillet.
La
Juillet.
14
Yes,
de
sir.
juillet. La 14 de
Yes.
juillet.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
So basically, today, like in the global stream national park in 1960, I think the study of chimpanzees were there and like raised the awareness about the chimpanzees and their importance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ठीक है. I can
Sir,
see
it's
this thing on
also
internet also.
yes, sir. Sir, it's also
yes.
14 juillet or
Yeah.
Bastille Day.
Yeah.
It
The
was
it
start
is
in
also
Monday.
called the teacher sir some prison day. Some national France prison day. Like
Okay,
Bailet. Uh, there was a prison in 1758 or 38 named. It started from the local people wanted the freedom, so
Bastille.
they revolutionized
okay,
and broke the prisoners free.
okay, fine, guys. So, ठीक है. So, chimpanzee day is also there, and the Lakotor's day is also there. Okay, fine. So, I
Yes, sir.
cannot say anyone to Happy Chimpanzees Day. ठीक है, मैं किसी को ऐसा बोल नहीं सकता actually. ठीक है. So, it is like कि ठीक है, चिंपैंजी डे है, but it's okay. ठीक है, पढ़ाई करो चिंपैंजीज के बारे में, देखो कि
Yes,
क्या
sir.
चीज होती है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा.
Sir.
बट ठीक है, ओके, पैरेलली डू द
Yes.
होमवर्क ऑल्सो. And
Yes.
stay protected, guys, because I think as of now it is rainy season, and in the rainy season, like
Yes, sir.
the lot of
Lot
mosquitoes
of
are also there.
mosquitoes.
And
Yeah.
just because of that mosquitoes, some like deadly diseases like dengue, malaria,
Yeah.
typhoid, cholera, these are also spreading. So please take care, please take great care of yourself,
Yes, sir.
and eat healthy
Someone
food.
in my
Okay,
sir,
so
someone in my
wash.
class got malaria, sir.
Sir,
uh,
I have beaten the world record that I have been through dengue 5 times.
क्या क्या क्या?
Been through dengue 5 times in a row.
Sir, it's not
Five
a
times
world
in a row.
record. Sir, it
Okay.
Yeah.
happens. Once you get dengue, once the different kinds of pathogens keep coming.
Yeah, yes, the different
I never
pathogens
got
will come.
dengue even once.
लेकिन निशाद,
Answer.
ये अच्छी बात तो नहीं है, ठीक है ना, कि बार बार डेंगू हो रहा है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इससे आपकी बॉडी इफेक्ट होगी.
Yeah,
एंड
sir. I
आप उससे मतलब वो आपको ही इशू देगा, है ना. तो
Yes,
अपने आप
sir.
को
Sir,
प्रोटेक्टेड रखो, वो ज़्यादा बेटर है,
sir,
रादर देन दिस थिंग कि आपको बार बार डेंगू होगा.
Sir, and the
sir.
doctors suggested that, like said that my body has formed a strong antibody against dengue in these 2 months.
In these 2 months, okay,
Sir,
okay.
Yes.
Yes, Sugam.
सर अगर हम सभी मस्किटोज को मारेंगे तो क्या होगा? मीन्स
अर्थ पे
डेंगू देने वाले मस्किटो, डेंगू देने वाले मस्किटोज को.
बाबा अपन हरतोय
सो एक्चुअली अर्थ पे
102.
स्टेबिलिटी होता है उससे, ठीक
India
है ना.
needs 92 runs.
तो होता क्या है ना, एक्चुअली जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने डेंगू के मॉस्किटो को खत्म कर दिया, तो जो डेंगू का वायरस है वो मॉस्किटो से हट के किसी और एनिमल में चला जाएगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपके यहाँ पे हाउस फ्लाई आपने देखी होगी, तो फिर हाउस फ्लाई के अंदर वो वायरस आ जाएगा, ठीक है. तो अगर जो मलेरिया या डेंगू है, अगर आपने सिर्फ डेंगू को हटा दिया, तो जो हाउस फ्लाई है वो फिर हाउस फ्लाई से डेंगू होने लगेगा. सो दैट्स वाई ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हम कि पूरे के पूरे जो मॉस्किटोज हैं उसी को अर्थ से ख़त्म कर दें, या फिर पूरी तरीके से डेंगू के वायरस को ही हटा दें. उससे स्टेबिलिटी डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी पूरे अर्थ की. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू मेंटेन द स्टेबिलिटी.
फिर फूड चेन भी खराब हो जाएगा क्योंकि अगर हम मस्किटो को मारेंगे तो फ्रॉग मर जाएगा क्योंकि फ्रॉग मस्किटो को खाता है. अगर
या
फ्रॉग मरेगा तो
यस,
उससे भी
तो फिर
उसको
स्नेक्स, तो
खाने
फिर
का मरेगा.
या
स्नेक
यस,
मरेगा.
यस, फिर स्नेक चला जाएगा. स्नेक्स जो होता है वो वल्चर, ईगल्स पे डिपेंडेंट होती है, तो जो पूरा फूड चेन है वो भी इससे इफेक्ट करेगा, ठीक है. और जो
हाँ
वायरस की
सर. फिर
अनस्टेबिलिटी है वो भी आ जाएगी. सो या देयर आर सेवरल रीजंस. यस.
हाँ फिर उसके बाद और फिर घूम फिरा के हम भी मर जाएंगे
अच्छा, घूम फिर के
अगर
हम भी,
मस्किटो
अच्छा
को
घूम फिर
मारेंगे.
के हम भी मर जाएंगे. ओके. अच्छा, ओके. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, guys.
Okay,
So
sir.
thank you for joining today's session.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
please
Bye,
look
sir.
for
Thank you,
this.
sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Bye,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Hi. Good evening, Charu.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. So you got tissues IMP page and solved examples also. Okay. Very good. Uh, so this week I won't be attending the classes. I'm having exam. I will join from that. Oh, okay. Okay. So Shivani is not attending the classes this week because she had a exam. Um, all right. And mm, Charu, is there any paper which you rescheduled?
Uh, no, I don't think. I never wait. Reschedule like
Mhm.
on Sunday from 4:30. I preponed it to 2:30.
Oh yeah, yes. From 4:30 to I think 2:30 you rescheduled.
Yes, 2 hours earlier.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
No, I think that was Saturday, not Sunday.
Yeah, yes, Charu, what you're saying?
It was Saturday, I think, so not Sunday.
Mm, ah, yeah, yes.